So first test with all the screen materials hang on my screen. Let's take a look at Alien Romulus to see which one has the best black level. Gonna skip the intro for copyright stuff. Actually, I almost don't see any difference between the black painted or the white samples the moment that the DBLE engages. Of course, in white you see a big difference between the black painted panel and the white screen materials. Just wanted to take this to see the difference between the different samples. Now I'm gonna show a white screen to test the laser speckle. So I'm gonna quit this one. Gonna go to the full white screen. I'm gonna pause this screen and then take a look at the laser speckle. So from the distance here, I'm seated about 5 meters, around 15 feet from the screen. There are some obvious ones, like this one on the top right, really visible speckle from here. So that one will be eliminated immediately. So this one a lot of speckle, 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 this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So as you can see, actually all the gray ones have a lot of speckle. The white ones, I don't see anything obvious from here, but let's have a closer look. So just take a look at the gray ones. I don't know if it's going to be visible from here, but that one has an enormous amount of speckle. That one also. That one also. So once we get to the woven screens, they're way better. Almost no speckle. I think compared with my painted screen, this is the painted screen. The wovens one are a little better. Still gonna be the question for me if it's going to worth going to an expensive woven screen. Yeah, and there goes the biggest sample. Gonna need bigger tape to hold that one. That was from Adeo screens. They were very generous and gave me the biggest sample. So okay, I'm gonna now check for myself, stop the recording and check for myself and rank them a bit according to the speckle I see in the next video.